Hi everyone, Colleen from Saratoga Arms Hotel, and I'm here at the beautiful Saratoga Racecourse in the off-season. And we don't know about you, but we really miss racing in the off-season. So I'm going to make the signature drink, Saratoga Sunrise, which is served at the Saratoga Racecourse. So what will we need? It's very easy. Our favorite vodka, fresh orange juice, some grenadine, some ice. We've got our Saratoga Sunrise glass and some garnishes. We've got some oranges and some cherries. So let's get started. So we're going to take a little bit, about a quarter cup, half cup of ice with about 3/4 cup of fresh orange juice. And then we're going to do about 2 ounces of our favorite vodka. Fill that right up. If you want to add in a little extra, I won't tell anyone. And we're going to stir that nicely. Just get it all blended, get it nice and cold. And now we're going to strain it into our glass. Fill it right up, nice and cold. And now my favorite part, the grenadine. So remember, grenadine's like a simple syrup, which is sugar and water and a little bit of pomegranate. So you just need a little bit, but look at the effect it gives. So I'm gonna put it right in the middle, swirl it a little bit, let it rest for a second, and look at how pretty it gets in the bottom of the glass. And then we are going to do a little garnish. Nice fresh orange. How about a couple cherries? And that is it. Cheers and good luck.